Yo, I'm in the first dress. I don't know if you guys can see me.
Look what the hot body can do.
Just need a little take in. Other than that, guys, I can't bother wash all dishes.
Focus. Look what the hot body can do.
Good morning, guys. Well, it's actually not morning. It's 12:59 p.m. in the afternoon, and we are gonna head to the supermarket. I climbed the tree this morning and picked Aki. I'm just joking. I did not climb a tree. These were at the lower part of the tree where I can just grab it and reach it and pick it off. So I got these. So this means the girl is gonna make some seasoned rice. I'm gonna head to the supermarket. Let me run down my list of what I need to get. And remember last night I was supposed to, but I didn't get to go. So we're gonna go today. So toiletries, tissue, bath soap. I'm gonna get brown rice to make the seasoned rice, saltfish, coconut milk. I need a feminine wash, garbage bag, eggs, and bread. That's the only thing I'm gonna get. Oh, I need to write juice on that. What else? Oh, and cereal. So that's the list what I'm gonna get. Next week I plan on doing a big shopping. Also apples. Got 3 apples after 3. So where I live, I have cherry tree, Aki, mango tree, and the apples, it's from over next door, but the limb grows over this section. So I got 3 apples, and these are what? They're not lemon, they're what I'm calling, I don't know. Some lemon, whatever. So I got 4 of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them. But anyways, let's get into let me go for my bag and show you guys what I'm wearing to the supermarket. Okay, this is the supermarket fit. I can't find my dark glasses. I don't know where it is. I need to find it. Let me move this out of the way. Anyways, don't look at this. I need to buy a table. I'm gonna buy an island and get rid of this because this is just not. It does don't look good, and I need a table where I can sit to eat as well. So we're planning on getting that by probably July, August. I kind of figure out which one I want already. It's actually both on Amazon and Shein. Shein has it cheaper, and I've seen the reviews and pictures of it, so I'm more than likely I'm gonna get it from Shein. Yeah, so that's it. The fit is just a regular. This is what I actually put on last night. Biker tights. This is a Lilo. Is a Stitch and bag that I had gotten from Real. I haven't been on Real. By the way, I have not been doing much shopping for the past few months. I did get some stuff from Shein. I picked it up the other day because summer is coming in. I just want to buy 1 and 2 stuff, to have stuff to wear to go out, and I really want to change my entire wardrobe, so I'm doing that little by little. So I actually need to go on Shein this weekend and see what else I can get. I want some nice swimsuits. I want to also go on Fashion Nova and see what I can find. But yeah, all right, we're gonna head to the supermarket, grab these. It's 12:54 right now. Let's go to the supermarket.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move.
All right, so I got the cereal, juice, bread, eggs. Let me mark off the eggs. Coconut milk. So I have the garbage bags. So garbage bags, so vaginal wash, saltfish, bags of tissue. That's what's left on the list.
When I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Yeah. Let me climb up your mountain. Let me search through your valleys. Yeah. I got my eyes wide open, baby. Don't hide.
So, I'm sorry guys, the air is on. Whoops. There's my receipts. So in my mind, I'm thinking I'm gonna spend $4,000. My budget is $4,000 with the stuff that's on my list that I listed out. Let me tell you the additional stuff that I actually picked up. So I picked up planting because I don't have any cash on me at all. So I can't like stop and get planting, and I really wanted planting for tomorrow. I got me a coconut water. The coconut water was $3.99 for the coconut water. And the reason for that, I needed the coconut water. This morning I went to the bathroom like 3 times. So I don't know what's wrong with my belly. For the past month, this month, June, I don't know, my belly has been so weird. Sometimes I get up even 5 a.m. to use the bathroom, which is crazy. I don't know, it's just kind of weird for this past month. So I said, let me grab coconut water. And again, I don't have no cash to buy from the coconut man nearby me. What else additional did I buy? I picked up a bun. Just one bun. Oh, I picked up the plastic plate as well because we can't bother wash now dishes to the rest. My phone lean. Guys, I can't bother wash now dishes. The only thing I'm supposed to be washing is pots. Got the saltfish. Oh, yeah, those are just the additional thing. Oh, and I bought 2 snacks because I wanted to try them. Pretzels, I love pretzels. So I said, well, let me try this brand. And I bought a plain cake. And anytime I'm going to Lee's, I always buy their cake, sliced cake, a round cake. It's call it $200 for it, basically almost $200 for it. So yeah, we're gonna head home. I said I wanted cereal, but I'm not gonna do cereal again, to be honest. Like, what is wrong with this traffic? I'm not gonna bother doing this eggs. No, I said I wanted egg cereals. I'm not gonna bother do any eggs. I'm just gonna do cereal. I got cereal, or probably just eat the bun and the juice that I bought. My phone is in the sun right now on the tripod, so I know within whatever time span it's gonna say it's overheating. So I'm not gonna show you guys what I got. I already run down the list of what I got already. So I told you all about the 2 Shein stuff that I got. So I have 2 dresses I'm gonna try on for you guys. I actually tried them on already, and they're big. The second one I don't like. Yeah, I actually don't like the second one, so I'm just probably gonna, I don't know, I'm still gonna wear it though. It's okay, but it's not how I wanted it to fit my body. But the other one though, it's a jumpsuit. I really like it, but it just needs to be taken in a little, so I'm gonna bring that to the tailor to adjust. But yeah, so when I get in later, I'll just show you guys those items that I bought. I'm gonna turn up on my AC because I'm sorry, it is way too hot. It is way too hot. Oh, the Porsche looks so nice. Hey guys, so I finished with work and everything. I remember I promised y'all I was going to show you guys the fit that I got from Shein. Now I'm in the first dress. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm in the hallway, and I know the lighting is not perfect. I really need to get a bright lighting because in here I will be able to like show you guys, you know, my outfits and stuff like that. No, I don't remember the cost nor the price, nor did I go in my Shein app and check before, you know, starting this video, but I will put everything on the screen, and if you like it, you know, you can purchase it. I'm actually going to put my code because I am a Shein affiliate, so all my links, if you purchase using my code or the link, you will help your girl out to let her make some little commission. Anyway, so this is the first dress. So the reason why I bought it is because of this leopard print. I love leopard print. I think they're very cute on my skin. It's dark, and I don't, for putting it on, no, I feel like I like it a bit. So I think I probably just need to get a little adjustment. So I'm probably gonna take this to the tailor, and it has a cute tie back here, and I love turtle, you know, stuff that comes all the way up here. So this is just kind of bit how it looks. Like I'm saying, I don't know, there's something going on right here. I don't know if I like it really, but yeah, for now this is cute. And you may see me out in it pretty soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, well, yeah, probably need to adjust it. There's something going on right here in the belly area, and I feel like that's what's throwing the dress off. But other than that, it's cute. It's not too short. Let me go down. Yeah, so it's not too short, and yeah, it's cute. I like it. Alright, so I'm in the second fit, and this is a jumpsuit. I think it's in an extra small. The color is great. So remember when I was telling you guys that the strap, okay, when it's on me like normal, you can obviously can see my breast area, and I feel like if it's up here, it's a little bit tighter. It looks way better and covered my boobs a little. Also, the back. See if you guys can see the back. So the back is like open right here, and on the waist side of it, it just needs a little take in. But other than that, it's cute. I really love it. It is so tall, like this is giving. So I may have to bring it up. Yeah, when I bring it up, then it's not too much on the floor. So this is so nice. I love it. It is so cute. I hope you guys like it too. Like, it's very nice. The link, remember, it will be down below. Yeah, it's giving.